This soft wash system from NorthStar delivers high-performance, low-impact cleaning to effectively remove and kill black mold, mildew, moss, lichens, and dirt from roofs, siding, decks, fences, bricks, and more without any scrubbing or high-pressure washing. Create the ultimate cleaning solution with water, bleach, and NorthStar Max Cling Soft Wash Surfactant, a high foaming formula that penetrates tough soils, dirt, mold, and mildew, and extends dwell times on most vertical surfaces. Safely clean large areas, high peaks, roofs, and soffits up to 28 feet high with the fan tip and long throw nozzles. Take the system wherever you need it on the sturdy steel frame and navigate over your lawn or gardens with the handles and 10-inch flat-free wheels. Easily increase your reach by adding the NorthStar Heavy-Duty Aluminum Telescoping Soft Wash Extension Wand, which adjusts from 6 feet to 24 feet and cleans roofs without a ladder by adding on the NorthStar Soft Wash Telescoping Wand Tripod that extends from 6 feet to 10 feet and has an extendable third leg to maintain stability while you work. Get safe and effective cleaning power without scrubbing or high-pressure washing with this soft wash system from NorthStar. Only at Northern Tool.